Hey praisers and savers, I'm at CVS where it all began for my couponing journey. We are going to be picking up some deals today. Today is September the 13th, 2021. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and let's get going on these deals. First thing I'm picking up is these Febreze plug-ins, these warmers. They are on sale for $4.39. Buy one get one 50% off. But it is when you so we're gonna buy 2 of them and use 2 of these coupons, and it's up to a $3 value. So it's making these absolutely free. They don't go over the value at CVS, so it's gonna be the exact value when you get it. So absolutely free on these Febreze plug-ins using this coupon here. This is my favorite shampoo. What we're gonna be doing is picking up 2 of these L'Oreal LVs at $4 each, making them $8. And then we are going to use this $3 coupon here that we just got in yesterday's paper, bringing that down to $5 with that extra, that coupon. And then we're going to get $3 back in extra care bucks by buying that, so making it $2 or $1 per bottle. Now also, if you buy $25 worth of shampoo, there's a $4 CRT on the app you may use, but I may not get there today. We shall see. Alright, got an almost freebie going on here. No coupons needed, just the coupons from the app. There's a CRT for $3 off a Revlon beauty tool. So these emery boards are $3.49. Gonna bring it down to 49 cents for this container of emery boards, and I cannot wait to put this in my treasure box at school because I have young ladies in my class and they love stuff like this. So 49 cents, no coupons needed. We have an absolutely amazing deal on this Colgate Total Mouthwash. What we're gonna do is pick up 4 of these mouthwashes at $4.49 each, and we're gonna use 4 50-cent coupons that I got in yesterday's paper. So let me show you the math really quick. So each mouthwash is $4.49, but you're picking up 4. All right, here we go. So here is the Colgate mouthwash. We're picking up 4 at $4.49. It's gonna be $17.96. We're gonna use, oh, my math is wrong. It's $2 in coupons. $2 in coupons, because each coupon is 50 cents. And this is the coupon we're using. We're using this 50-cent coupon here. Then we have a store coupon where if we spend $12 on mouthwash, we'll be able to use that $2 off that CRT. Then we're gonna get back $10 in extra care bucks because we're getting that extra care buck deal twice. So we're getting this $5 twice. All right, so far what we're at is $3.96, but the deal just keeps going because if we spend $25 on Colgate products, we get a $5 CRT as well, but we need to get some toothpaste to help out with this. So let's go on over and grab some toothpaste. I had to walk away because there's 2 people on the aisle, but these are on sale for $3.99 each, so $3.99 each, so $4 for these. And we're gonna pick up 2 of these. We pick up 2 of these, and we're gonna get all those things. So we're getting 4 mouthwashes and 2 Colgates absolutely for free, and I believe it's a 58-cent moneymaker. 56-cent moneymaker, yeah, 56-cent moneymaker on all 4 of those. So let me show you the math really quick. So of course I've already showed you the Colgate mouthwash, but now we're doing the toothpaste. We're getting 2 of those at $3.99. It's going to make it $7.98. There's a $2 coupon on the app when you buy one of the Colgate whitening optic wipes, and we're also going to use a 50-cent coupon that we got yesterday. So that's $2.50 worth of coupons that's coming off. Then there's that $5 store coupon that we're going to use on the CRT when we spent $25 on Colgate products, which we did. So that comes off as well. And then we're gonna get $5 back in extra care bucks, making that a $44.52 money maker. But we're gonna add the $3.96 and the $4.52 together because that's a combined deal, making that a 50. Nope, you go ahead, sir. Oops. Now I'm getting some cough drops for less than $1.50 for both bags. So two bags of cough drops for $1.50 or 75 cents each. What we're going to do is pick up 2 of these. These are on sale, buy one get one 50% off. So one bag is going to be $3 and one bag is going to be $1.50. So for the 2 bags, it's going to be $4.50 before coupons. We're going to use this dollar coupon that we just got this Sunday. taking that off to $3.50. And then we're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks for buying both of those, bringing it down to $1.50. They do have other types of cough drops, like the Halls Minis are on sale, but I'm going to stick with the cheaper one today. $1.50 for 2 bags, 75 cents. It would not be an awesome week at CVS if I did not pick up my Tide. So we're going to get 3 bottles of this week because I don't have coupons for the pods that I usually get. But I'm getting this week, the Tide Hygienic Clean, and then I'll probably get a bottle of that. So remember, when you're getting Tide and these P&G products, the coupons can be really iffy. My suggestion to you would be, if it's if you're doing multiple transactions, to do 1 Tide per transaction, or if you get a Tide, scan the Tide, then scan the Tide coupon that goes with it. Because if you scan a coupon for that and then you scan a coupon for that, they may kind of cross each other out and they may not work. So always do a Tide coupon, a Tide coupon. But anyways, so we're getting these at $11.94. We're picking up 3 of these. It's going to be $35.82 before coupons. With coupons, there's this coupon here that you guys all know about, this $3 coupon. If you don't have this, of course, there are Tide coupons, P&G coupons on the CVS app that you can use. So we're going to pick up 3 bottles and use 3 of those coupons, or $3 each. So 3 times 3 is $9 in coupons. And then we're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks for buying these P&G items, bringing our total down to $16.82 for all 3 large bottles of Tide. That's an amazing deal. We're not done yet. I think we're about $102 so far, and we're only up to $24. So that's pretty good considering I'm not finished with my shopping yet. All right, guys, I thought that I was going to be able to get some more things at my CVS, but they were out of like the monofoil that was going to be $1 moneymaker, I think. Yeah, with the coupon that I printed offline, but they didn't have any more. They haven't had any in a couple weeks, but I thought they might. The tag is still there. Also, I didn't pick up any makeup. I just don't like doing makeup on my couponing hauls. If I do makeup, it's usually just for myself, and I don't really do deals with makeup. You guys know there's great makeup deals at CVS, so no need to do a little deal on that. I used to. And I didn't pick up the Irish Spring body wash. I was going to. I have a $1 off coupon on the app. But I didn't do it. I didn't think it was like that great of a deal. It's 2 for $8, $2 back on extra care bucks, $1 coupon, you're still paying 50%. Usually I get body wash for about 80%, $1 bottle, but it wasn't that great of a deal. But I did get some good things. I did get all that Colgate toothpaste and mouthwash as a money maker, so it was coming by me and I couldn't finish filming. I think it's like 56-cent or 58-cent money maker or something like that, I'm not sure. On 6 items. So it was a money maker on 6 items. That's really amazing. Of course, I got my Tide this week that I get every single week. Got that L'Oreal that I showed you guys in the video. If you were to buy more shampoos, you could have used that CRT for $4 off 25, but I didn't have a lot of great coupons for shampoo today, and I really wasn't trying to get all those different shampoos. I know I heard some people say that they got the Hallmark. You know how you get the 3 items for the Hallmark or the gold emblem. I didn't have either one of those in my app for the Hallmark or the gold emblem products. I think that is about it. Oh, I know what I was going to tell you guys. Febreze. All right, it was buy one, get one 50% off. So they would not let me use a $3 coupon on the second one because it exceeded, and they were very new people and didn't know how to really fix it. So I can get that item. So I just said, you know what? It's fine. Just give me the coupon back. So I didn't get the Febreze plugins, and I'm going to save the Febreze coupon for Kroger or Walmart. I'm going to look for them and see what they have. But it did not work there. And they're good to the 25th, so I have some time to find those Febreze plugins. So did not pick those up, put all those back. Oh well, it happens. But anyways, all right guys, I'll see you in the next one. We're probably going to be hitting Walmart up tomorrow. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Bye.